In this video, I will show you how to speed up videos in Canva. Let's say you want to speed up your video in canva.com. So this is my original video, for example. Let me play this video. So this is my original video and I want to speed up this video. You can see this is about 6.6 seconds video. So I want to actually speed up this video. How do you do that? In Canva, you don't actually have the right, you don't have the tools to actually speed up a video. So what we need to do is to go to the following website. We need to go to this website called sgif.com. So in sgif.com, what we need to do is we just close this advertisement. So we need to actually upload our video to this site. And then after uploading the video, you can see what I need to do right now is I've multiplied, I've just put 2.5, or you can actually change it to 3 seconds to 3 multiplied by 3 or by 4 or by 5, depends on how length your video is. And then here you can see it says mute or remove sound. Definitely you want to remove the sound. If not, the sound will also be speed off. We speed also in the video. So what you need to do right now is to click change video speed. By clicking change video speed, and here is the output of the video. So let me just click play. You can see, and that goes very fast. It becomes about 3 seconds. After doing that, you don't want to actually save your video. When you save your video will be saved. And then we need to go back again to Canva. And then what you need to do is go to upload and click upload to upload your video, or you can drag your video and just paste it in Canva, and automatically your video will be uploaded to Canva. And now we have our video. We can now just drag and paste it there. So this is my original video. Let's try and play it once more. And by doing that, now we are not going to play the other video, which of course is the video with the speed. Let's go. You can see there is no sound in that video. So now after doing that, you can now edit or add some audio or some sound to your video, and then you can go to share, and here we can click download. We can now download our video to MP4. Thank you very much for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT video. I'm going to leave the link of this site in the description of this video, so you can always go there and download and click on the link to speed up your video. Bye.